Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and moving on to 24H2 on unsupported machines is something that a lot of the comments I've seen of people using Rufus say it doesn't work. So I issued a little trick that you can use a command to have it go through and working. But still, that is not 100% foolproof. There's still some computers that are blocked from upgrading. It depends on your configuration a lot. So Rufus has updated its tool. Well, it's not yet updated officially. It's the beta version of it. But if you want to use the Rufus tool to create a bootable ISO or bootable USB thumb drive for 24H2, to install on unsupported machines, go to the Rufus website, and on the Rufus website, if you go down, you'll see that you have the downloads for 4.5, which was the version that is still the official version right now. But right down there, you'll see 4.6 beta.exe for Windows. So this is still in test phase, but this will have the 24H2 working on unsupported machines. That didn't work with the Rufus 4.5. So download Rufus 4.6. What it adds actually is it goes and changes a few lines of registry so that the install now can go through. So Rufus had issued a little guideline telling you, well, here's a way to bypass this and still use Rufus 4.5, but 4.6 includes that within the software, which means it does it automatically. You don't have to, go through with any of the registry tweaking or anything. It's all done automatically, which is always the best way to do it. So if you do want to use Rufus to upgrade your unsupported machine, maybe you're on 23H2 unsupported, you want to go to 24H2, sorry, simply go to download the Rufus 4.6 beta.exe to get it. I'll share the Rufus link into the description below. And with 4.6 beta, you will be moving on to 24H2 on unsupported machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.